What exactly causes underarm odor and how do we combat it naturally? Well, let's talk about the science behind it. Underarm odor is a result of a fascinating, albeit slightly smelly, biological process. It starts with our sweat glands. Now, sweat in itself is odorless, but becomes the key ingredient in this scentful saga when it meets our skin's bacteria. Our body houses two types of sweat glands, eccrine and apocrine. Eccrine glands are found all over the body and produce a thin, watery, odorless sweat mainly composed of salt and water. Apocrine glands, on the other hand, are concentrated in areas like our armpits and secrete a thicker sweat that produces odor when mixed with bacteria on the skin's surface. It is rich in proteins and lipids. When we sweat, particularly from our apocrine glands, the bacteria on our skin feast on these proteins and lipids, breaking them down into smaller, volatile molecules. These molecules are what we recognize as body odor. It's like a dinner party for bacteria where the after party is, well, a bit pungent. For years, traditional deodorants have been our go-to solution. They work by using antimicrobial agents to kill bacteria and aluminum salts to block sweat glands, thereby reducing sweat. But this approach is not without its drawbacks. The aluminum in these deodorants has been linked to several health concerns, including skin irritation and even potential links to more serious conditions. Furthermore, blocking sweat glands disrupts our natural body functions. Sweating is an essential process, helping to regulate body temperature and excrete toxins. Halting this process could possibly lead to more harm than good. Consequently, an increasing number of people are turning towards natural solutions. These alternatives aim to neutralize the odor without disrupting our body's natural functions or introducing potentially harmful substances. Now that we know what causes the odor, let's explore how to combat it naturally. Stay tuned as we delve into a world of natural ingredients and fragrances and guide you step by step on how to make your very own underarm deodorant, a solution that's not just skin-friendly, but also earth-friendly. Time to roll up your sleeves and create your own underarm deodorant. Let's start with gathering our ingredients. You'll need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, and a few drops of essential oil for fragrance. Each ingredient plays a vital role in your homemade deodorant. Coconut oil, well known for its antibacterial properties, forms the base of our deodorant, helping to combat the bacteria that causes underarm odor. Shea butter, on the other hand, gives our deodorant a creamy texture while nourishing your skin with its rich content of vitamins and fatty acids. Baking soda is our odor neutralizer. It works by creating an alkaline environment in which bacteria struggle to survive. However, it's important to note that some people may find baking soda a bit harsh on their skin. If that's the case for you, feel free to lessen the amount or even omit it entirely. Arrowroot powder is another key ingredient. It helps to absorb excess moisture, keeping your underarms dry throughout the day. And lastly, the essential oil is for that pleasant scent we all love in our deodorants. Now, on to the fun part, making the deodorant. Start by placing a heat-resistant container over a pot of simmering water. You're creating a makeshift double boiler here. Add your coconut oil and shea butter to the container, stirring occasionally until they're completely melted and combined. Once that's done, remove the container from the heat. Allow the mixture to cool down for a couple of minutes, and then add your baking soda and arrowroot powder. Stir well to ensure there are no clumps and everything is evenly distributed. Next, add your chosen essential oil. The amount you add depends on how strong you want the fragrance to be. However, a general rule of thumb is to add about 10 to 20 drops. Stir well again to distribute the scent throughout the mixture. Once your mixture is well combined, pour it into an empty deodorant stick container. You can find these in most health food stores or online. If you don't have one handy, an old, cleaned-out deodorant stick container works just as well. Now, patience is key. Let your deodorant cool and solidify. This could take anywhere from a few hours to overnight, depending on the temperature of your home. If you're in a hurry, you can speed up the process by placing it in the refrigerator. And there you have it. A simple, easy-to-make, all-natural deodorant that not only keeps you smelling fresh, but also nourishes your skin and saves you money. Remember, this is a basic recipe. Feel free to experiment with different essential oils to create your own custom scent. You could also add a teaspoon of vitamin E oil for extra skin nourishment, or a tablespoon of beeswax for a firmer texture. The possibilities are endless. Voila! You've just made your own underarm deodorant. But how can you make it smell even better? Want your deodorant to have a unique, refreshing scent? Let's explore the world of natural fragrances. The beauty of making your own underarm deodorant is that you can tweak the scent to your liking, using ingredients found in your kitchen or garden. Essential oils are a fantastic way to add a natural fragrance to your homemade deodorant. They not only smell great but also have various therapeutic properties. Consider lavender with its calming and soothing properties, or peppermint for a refreshing and cooling sensation. Citrus oils like lemon or grapefruit can provide a zesty, invigorating aroma, while rosemary and eucalyptus offer a more earthy, herbal scent. Mixing and matching these oils can create a personalized fragrance profile that's uniquely yours. You're not limited to essential oils, though. Natural extracts like vanilla or almond can add a sweet, comforting aroma to your deodorant. With these fragrances, you can customize your underarm deodorant to suit your preferences. You're now equipped to make your own natural underarm deodorant. We've journeyed from understanding the science behind underarm odor to uncovering the natural solution to combat it. You've learned how to craft your own deodorant step by step, using simple ingredients from your kitchen. We even dabbled in the world of natural fragrances, adding a personal touch to your homemade remedy. Remember, the beauty of making your own deodorant is not just about the health benefits of avoiding harmful substances like aluminum. It's also about the freedom to experiment, to find the scent that truly suits you, and to take control of what you put on your body. So why not give it a try? Unleash your inner alchemist and see what amazing concoctions you can come up with. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Don't forget to tune in for our next video.